Hi guys, so join me as we tour this beautiful 3-bedroom duplex in the heart of Abijo GRA.
So, as you can see, we have a very beautiful kitchen, beautifully styled. It comes with a heat extractor, a cooker, beautiful cabinets, ovens, and loads more. So, let's go upstairs.
The kind of smell you get when you buy into Campbell, especially 3-bedroom services, it's mostly my brain. She'll take you round and you sit.
So, as we come upstairs, you can see that we're welcomed by a beautiful mini living room for your family, and you can just chill out and watch movies with your kids, tell stories, and do a lot of things. So, let's look at some of the rooms. Beautiful. All comes and suits. And see, it comes and sits. Beautiful. Let's go to the next room. Yeah. And this is the master's bedroom. You can see it is very, very beautiful. It's lovely. And it has a beautiful view of its surroundings. Outside, it has a door leading outside where you can have a beautiful view of the whole surrounding. If you want this piece of real estate, give me a call now. Don't wait till tomorrow. The best time to buy land is yesterday. The next best time is today. So, let's get out of here.
Steps.